This is Rio de Janeiro. So today it's a Sunday. Got it? Sunday? It's a sunny Sunday. And we're gonna try this one. Yes! It's so cool. I love the weight. It's very light. I love the shape. And I think it will be fantastic. Let's try it. What happens to the other one? Yes, it broke. Things happen. I have to confess, I came out today to do a review about my tripod, but I'm amazed. This place here, it's very good to ride because very good asphalt, and on Sundays there's less people, a lot of cyclists on that way from Barra to Recreio, and it's amazing. Today I have Marathon in both tires. I have the Marathon Plus on the back. My friends, see, they were on ahead of me, but because this Marathon Plus goes so fast, they got so behind. It's amazing. I like it. I came for this ride today to do the tripod review, but since the other tripod is broken, I think I'm gonna do the Marathon. So I love the Marathon. I'm impressed. Check it out. Stay tuned. Seriously, my cruise speed used to be 22. Look. This is the speed they could go forever. I like it. That's good. Time for a little chat. I think the tread is thinner than the Brompton tire. So maybe because the wall is thicker, you know, harder. The tread is thinner and more pressure. So maybe that's why we get so much more speed. I love it. I got here so fast. It was 11 kilometers like this. So if you ask me, should I put my Marathon or Marathon Plus in my Brompton? Yes. My answer is yes. You do get more weight because they weigh, the front tire weighs like 200 grams more, and the back tire like 240. So it's almost half kilo. Yes, you do have more weight on your Brompton, but I don't know, it goes faster and protects you from flat tires. Flat tires are not good. Especially the back one. It takes such a long time to change it. I know you can just, you know, touch it, but I don't know. I like to ride, not stop for those kind of reasons. So this place here, it's Macumba. And in the other side, look how many bicycles. And in the other side, it's Canto do Recreio. So let's go there. Let me show you a beach that I think is one of the most beautiful beaches here. It's a small one. It calls Prainha, little beach. A lot of vibes. Sunday! Surface. Wow, never seen so many people in the water here, and I surf here for years. It's one of my favorite spots. It's Prainha. That's my new setting. A marathon on front and a marathon plus on the back. Better to maneuver. You can put a higher pressure PSI. It's everything good. So I do recommend. But if you just bought your Brompton, no need. Just wait. Resuming. Wait until 3000 Ks or wait until you start getting flats. Change for a marathon plus in the back, marathon in the front, and it's perfect. I really love it. I wish I'd done it before, but that's all right. That's the way life goes, you know. You keep learning. If you did like the video, thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do. I always do videos about things that I learned, things that you guys teach me. Or something happened, you know, sometimes things happen. And I love to travel. So a lot of places that I go, I record and show you guys. And after you sign in, there will be this, a little bell. This little bell will tell you when the video is out, notify when your video is out, because I never had the right way to do it. So hope you like it. I love this new marathon. Because then you're gonna ask me, why did you do it before? You have a marathon for at least a month. Yes, but I had one marathon. Now I have two. It's different. It feels different. I felt different before, but I wasn't sure. Now I'm positive. It is good. Bye-bye.